where it is. There's no presentation today. Because it's basically like, I just want to make like different things. So, that's just that. I mean, we might call it out.
We're doing a club rep thing today, right?
Yes, actually, hold on the, oh, my bad. Thank you.
Is that a Windows device?
Yes. We will wait a couple minutes because some people are late.
Let me get you something.
We will talk about this in 10 minutes. Let me give you guys the general idea for today. So, anybody need this? Everybody has a code editor, Git CLI, and Python installed, correct? Good, okay. So the general idea for today is we're going to just we're going to start at like 3:10. We're going to do KF vote. We're voting in a new officer. Our past KF rep joined the Clubs and Events board. He's the treasurer now, so he can't be our representative anymore. So we're going to hold a member selection for our new rep. Don't worry, you're all eligible to vote. We're just testing this stuff out because we technically should be voting for all of our officers. And we have like 4 or 5 people that want to run for the position, so they'll give a quick like 90-second speech, and then we'll put up a survey link, and you'll vote for who you want to run. After that, from like 3:10 to let's say like 3:40, it's like 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. We'll just like chat, and you guys will get to know each other. We'll make groups. I brought name tags. Almost forgot about that. We'll make groups. So networking. And then from 3:40 to 5, you can leave early, like there's no pressure. We'll just work on projects. So the general idea is we're gonna like elect our new K rep. We're going to like get to know each other. Most of you guys already know each other, and then we're just gonna form teams of 3 or 4 and just do something cool. It's okay if you like don't have too much experience. A lot of people are a little bit behind. We're just gonna like help each other get up there and then just build something cool. So I'm going to pull up the stuff for now, but we're not gonna start till 3:10 because I want everybody to be here. Everybody have a chance to vote. You have the attendance sheet. If everybody could put their name and student ID on this, that'd be great because we use this for student government meetings to have a like evidence that we have meetings so they give us funding. So if anybody's been up to date with our Discord, we got like a $100 grant last week, and we're about to get an $800 grant if all goes well. So that's how we pay for like food and stuff. What? Edward is gone. He's at a hackathon. Yeah. I'm gonna be gone next week. So. Okay. And Alex, where is Alex? Other Alex, he's getting this people. I'm calling on. Does anybody have a Sharpie? Yeah. Oh, great. Actually, I might have a Sharpie. Let me check. I'm hoping. Nope. Hey guys, so very quick, we're going to wait till 3:10, do a vote for our new CAVE representative. Then we're going to do networking till 3:40, and then we're just going to work on projects. I have name tags here. We have a lot of people here today, but I have like 30 name tags. So you guys can put these on. So honestly try to remember all your names, but my memory's not great. I know your faces, if that counts.
Yeah, that's how I am in my classes.
So can everybody just come up here and grab a name tag? Thanks. Alright. And if you have another Sharpie, that'd be appreciated too. We'll borrow it for like 10 minutes.
No, I asked someone else that I was in class until 15 minutes ago. I will find on my list. I will find on my
I don't mess with the purple editor.
Yeah, if you found the rep already,
I think so. Visual Studio, the purple one, is probably nice for C++.
and I'll check it out. The one thing you wanna look at for now, library extensions.
I'm mostly playing
I know, that's not situation.
Do you take, I feel like, did you take English when you had classes here, C++?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
what it
yeah,
was.
Does anybody need this?
Just pass it around.
That was,
I'm looking for essentially. I'll show you.
Yeah, I mean, it's clear.
okay, yeah, there's something different still about it.
Mine right here, it says solutions.
Oh,
No.
yes.
Oh.
Oh, you got no power?
That is.
Huh? You got no power?
I know, you know, we just need longest one to Davis to, and it's something, they have power. That's kind of weird.
Yeah, pretty much. We're gonna be going over like.
They say they last all day.
Docs.
Well, over there, they could just run it.
Do you know how to make
Their
a,
table, like these ones are, their tables are down in the ground, so they could just run it in.
actually, no, I can show you. So pretty much. There, that's not an example. I'm going to show you how to get PyGame. So pretty much in a folder. Yeah, why is it doing that? No. Okay, what you have to do, oh.
Well, other than that,
Also install the app. Pretty much, going through like a file explorer that you want to make. Where do you want to work? Make a folder and then name or something.
So
This is like the folder where you put your
how to initialize a virtual environment. Because like
Python install.
Visual Studio is very
I guess that helps, because you know, I'm
Okay, so now requirements like TXT requirements.
it just goes back into.
Oh.
It's fine though, I don't think we'll go in that deep,
Okay, yeah, we need to install Python first. Yeah, just install Python. Don't just click through it when it pops up.
Did everyone sign in?
There's some things that there's just like one.
Not me, not yet.
If you don't. Yeah, so once you do and then, I don't know why they don't do that, like a bunch of.
Everyone signed in?
install stuff. And they can, yeah, and like, I don't think you can even interact with it's the space, so like you can interact with it. Yeah. Now, once that's done, it's a lot closer to the yeah, once you're done with that, you're going to go into the file. First, I'm just going to make not sync. There. You're going to click, you're going to click internal, and then you're going to type this in. Oh, not here. B&B, and then you just put in the name of it, like normally you would do you notice how here I have, no, it's mine, but yeah. Don't worry, I shouldn't be here, I have. Well, I do it.
No, we had to keep that over.
Wait, did you?
So now go back into your files.
It doesn't matter. You don't need to touch it now. So this is where you want to put all your programs. Now,
We're waiting for some of our cave rep candidates. So, is anybody who here is running for our rep? 1, 2, dude, everybody wants to be rep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are missing, I think, 2 people that wanted to do it. I know there's a lot of you stuff.
Is Edward coming?
Edward's not coming. He's at a hackathon. So
he'll give you a
I
message.
dropped him off at the airport.
I'm not going to hit it again.
Where's his hackathon?
It's not done building
Europe.
though. I wouldn't touch it. You could break stuff. So pretty much now.
Some of the things we travel. Yeah, but
Okay,
unfortunately not
now,
any of the ones that
now
I applied to.
it's
Pay like $800 out of pocket in travel. It's
Yeah,
horrible.
I think so. Yeah, just make it.
I mean, they say they pay for it, but then they say you apply to it. I don't know if it's BS or.
And then once you do that,
It's not a BS.
then you'll install
Edward?
this.
No, it's not like $500 out of pocket. Like to travel, like entry to the hackathon is free, and they feed you, and they
Yeah, if you ever
house
use
you, but you have to claim
clone
for the
repositories,
Yeah.
they're useful.
Yeah, I highly encourage. We send them all to the Discord. I highly encourage you guys to apply. Like it's super good. All right. Who wants to go first out of our reps? Yeah, go for it. So I would recommend give like a couple minutes speech. Introduce yourself and like why you should get the position, and then we're gonna vote. This is honestly, guys. This is like a test. We haven't voted for any officers yet because our club is like so new. So if this goes well, we're gonna hold elections kind of like this at the end of the semester. But we'll see. All right.
Yeah, can you
Floor is yours.
can you
The
hang
mic
out
is
where
yours.
in the middle too, where Juan is kind of, or more in the middle?
Oh, you wanna get it?
Because I'm recording.
Oh, it's recording.
Where the laptop is in the middle.
Okay, so you guys know what the K-Rep does, correct? You saw the requirements on the form? Go over it. So I'll go over it very quick because I edited the form, but I didn't put everything there. So the K-Rep, like I listed on the submission form, is responsible for going to meetings twice a month on the first, second and fourth Tuesday of the month, with the clubs and events board, where you have to be present for us to get our incentive points, which I'll go over later. And you have to interact with the rest of the board officers in order for us to get funding. You have to make our opinions heard. So this requires like it's like an hour meeting, so it's like 2 hours a month, plus you go to our officers meetings every Tuesday, which I don't know if it was on the form, but just be aware of this. And this is like a very chill like thing, so don't worry. Like if you don't want to do it anymore, it's fine too. If you want to do it and you didn't prefer it, go for it too. So we meet every Tuesday online to discuss what we're going to do on Fridays, and then obviously I want you to come to the meetings as well. So you're like involved in what we do. So I think this would total an hour a week, 2 hours a week. Okay, the meeting on Friday is 2 hours. The officers meeting is 1. So this is 3 hours times 4 weeks a month, 12 hours, and then 2 hours of meetings is like 14 hours a month. What is the
officer meeting?
Tuesdays at 5, but we can move it if you need to. Okay.
I was the old club rep too, by the way, so if you have any questions, you can ask me, and actually, I'm the treasurer for the clubs and events board now.
You'll be at all those meetings.
So I'll be at the meetings.
You wanna go log in, this is another thing.
Alright,
And
so go ahead.
Hello everybody, my name is Aaron Alvarado. I'm
you don't
excited
need
to
to
consider for the position of officer in this club. Because I believe I bring the right mix of skill and passion to the table. First and foremost, I've got great communication skills. Whether it's breaking down complex concepts or collaborating with a team, I know how to connect with people and ensure everyone's voice is heard. I have a deep hunger for knowledge. I'm constantly learning, whether it's a new programming language or keeping up with the latest industry trends. This curiosity pushes me to innovate and find solutions to problems that we may face as a club. As an experienced programmer, I can contribute my technical expertise to help lead projects and initiatives. I'm no stranger to leadership, as I've had the opportunity to lead teams in both academic and extracurricular settings. I understand what it takes to motivate and manage a team to success. Lastly, I'm a good public speaker. I'm comfortable presenting ideas, whether it's a room of 5 or 50 people. These are some of the skills that I'd love to share with you guys to help grow the club and ensure we meet our goals together. Thank you.
Okay, so let me write down your names so I don't forget it. It's not very common. You all write down, and then we'll have the rest of it. Write it like on the side. So I want to say it's for people to know you, but it's honestly for me. Okay, who's next? Yeah, just sit down. Basically, we're just voting for like one of our officer positions. So you sit through that, and then we're gonna do networking so you get to meet people. There's name tags right there. You wanna grab them, and then we're gonna work on a mutual project. We'll bring you up to speed. Okay, so yes, Rosen. I'd say like introduce yourself.
Yes. Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Ray, and I'm running for the club rep position. This is my 3rd year at Sac City. I've taken CS 300, 360, 400, and I'm currently taking 130. So if you guys need me know with any of those courses, please feel free to let me know. I'm also a tutor at the Math Center, the Asset Center, and the TLC. Personally, I've always felt a very severe case of imposter syndrome when it comes to computer science. I feel like a lot of you guys feel it too. There's a big gap that I feel we need to bridge for all of us, because when it comes to like those around you, sometimes you see people going to projects. You'll see Edward going to hackathons in New York, and it's intimidating. And I want to help the CS Club shine brighter in order to illuminate all of our paths in order to achieve what we work so hard for. I believe I'm great with people. I've been a service worker since I was 16. I do the tutoring thing, so I'm, again, very patient. So, decent public speaking, I think. Thank you guys.
Hey, I had a question.
What's
So you are already working with the Raza Center?
Yeah.
So are you familiar with how the clubs and event board operates already?
No. It's new. I'm barely starting it 2 weeks ago, Richard. So.
That's true.
Alright.
Write your name on the board.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, just write it down.
No, you don't.
It's not a big deal.
It's actually just from the this will just, it's
Take my credit card.
a release. Okay, now
I
go
trust
back
you.
to the console.
Hey guys. Can you guys put your name? We're just voting for our officer position.
Yeah, I know.
don't get extra points for good handwriting.
This is the way.
This is on the sheet.
Alright, hi everyone, my name is Bruce Orana. I don't know too many of you, I just joined the club really recently, but I'm a CS major here at Sac City. It's my second year, I'm taking CISP 430, similar to Ray over there. I have a decent amount of experience in leadership. I was in leadership for all 4 years of high school. I was on multiple positions. I was also in leadership in middle school. So I'm pretty familiar with the way student boards such as PyGame operate, and I feel like I'm pretty good at, once again, like Aaron and Ray said, public speaking. I'm not too nervous while doing it. I enjoy doing it. I also really, really like representing things like this, where I believe that CS is an amazing major. More people need to understand how CS works. More people should go into the career field. I understand people say it's saturated, but the job market isn't as bad as people think, and people need to be confident in their skills. That's why we have meetings like this, and I think I'd be decent in helping everyone, helping get funding for this club, because I can express how important CS is for not only this school, but CS in general. All right, thank you.
Alright. One more person.
Alright, hey everybody, my name is Connor Lee, and I'm running to be representative for the programming club. My main priority as a representative is ensuring that every decision I make reflects the club's interests. Whether it's voting on board items or advocating for more resources, my focus will constantly be advancing our collective goals and aspirations. Regarding communication, I am confident I could bring strong interpersonal skills, technical knowledge, and leadership. My past experience, like working with a data analyst team at SMUD and leading projects as an Eagle Scout, have taught me how to present ideas clearly, listen to others, and ensure that our club's voice is heard at school. I'm so sorry, guys. Assured at school and board meetings. In terms of leadership, I've successfully organized large-scale community service projects, communicating with beneficiaries and volunteers to make sure everything runs smoothly. I'm comfortable stepping up to take extra responsibilities and will confidently represent clubs in any capacity needed. Organization is another area where I can make a significant impact. From managing detailed schedules for my scouting projects to balancing data analysis, spreadsheets, or data reports for SMUD, I developed skills in multitasking and tracking key details, qualities that would help our club keep our club activities running efficiently and on track. Finally, I am deeply passionate about this club's mission. I believe in the power of building a community where we collaborate, network, and form aspiring programmers. And as our representative, I will be able to ensure that our collective enthusiasm is reflected in everything we do. Thank you for your time.
Yes, write your name. I have somebody that's a little bit late, so we're gonna get started with everything else, but in like 10 minutes, I'll pull up my QR code and you guys can vote. I'm not good with names, so I'll just ask them to stand up again and like say like their names so you know who's who. But just go ahead and like keep talking like you were before. Basically what we're going to be working on today, the workshop, like what we were planning on doing, you can do anything you want, but was PyGame games. So we talked about this last week. All you guys have Python installed and get CLI. If you don't, I'll help you. But I would encourage you to just go around, talk with people, get to know like everybody's skill level, and just work with whoever you think would be good to work with. And I'm here to help you if you need to install anything.
Yeah, I need help with it.
Alright, if you can help, come over here. I'll help you install. Yeah. Feel free to use the whiteboard too. Yeah, go for it. Okay. What do you have to do?
Yeah, PyGame. It's just like a where you can create games for Python. It's like a program. I don't know what it is. But you just download it to, you have it, you downloaded it.
I
Let's go to your Visual Studio.
I wasn't there.
No, you were there. When we downloaded it.
I only downloaded.
Alright, let's see. Just go open Python. Oh, you never use Python.
Hi. Networking with people. I'm Alex.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Isabella.
I'm Robert.
Should I
Isabella,
go
Robert.
there?
You should. They're at the front there.
Oh, okay.
I'm new to Python. I know JavaScript. So
Okay. Yeah, I've never done something.
and I don't have any ideas for games.
Yeah.
So I'll figure that out.
It was nice meeting you.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Oh shoot, when I swore you downloaded it.
Nice to meet you. I'm new to Python.
He wasn't there. Here, I'll download it. It's not that hard.
Okay, I'm gonna
Alright, group of two.
You just checking us out? Are you support?
Yeah, I got a couple installed. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
You guys already like take out?
Yes. Alright, cool. I'm new to Python. I've done JavaScript.
How many people are we download Python in a couple weeks.
Alright, so nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's in the events workshops.
Oh no. I do not like this pen.
Why?
Look at the way I wrote it. Right here. You'll see.
Didn't say Robert. No,
That was my professional.
This is a Korean coloring pen.
Should we join her group?
What?
Should we join her group?
I'm meeting people. I'm Alex.
Yeah, she's got Ryan.
I'm Ryan. I'm in STEM.
Oh, we're gonna be in a different group.
Oh, cool. I didn't know there was this kind of.
We're gonna be in a different group.
Probably not. He said whoever.
Are you on Discord? That's actually my only.
When I'm saying, do you want to be in a group?
Oh, great.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
don't want to be like,
Bro, this sticker sucks.
really? Mine is chilling.
I think it's very easy to make like simple UI business with Python.
Our thing.
No, this thing is I'm like on it. I got one of these.
How do I do that actually? I don't have a
If you go into photos, it should.
Oh, yeah, of course, right. I don't have to do it through the app. Yeah, that makes sense.
I mean, you can go into your user settings, and for whatever reason, there's a button that says scan to go on there. Of all places.
Why would you look in your settings?
Discord mobile is the best designed app.
I'm not sure. Oh, thank you.
No.
No,
Hey, this thing is weird.
I don't know how to use it.
Yeah.
I should.
I'm just here because code is fun.
Yeah.
If I don't, no, I'm a mech major.
Oh, this character needs to hire this one.
Okay. Now we gotta actually download.
Whose is better than yours?
Bro, because I didn't copy their theme. I took the pictures.
Oh yeah, it's the same program.
No.
Yours is way faster than his.
I modified it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
If you do extend
Yeah, it was too slow. But his gets faster as
Oh,
it goes.
that's how it's supposed to be, huh?
Yeah.
No, they were most or they were the
Python's actually really easy.
I did my part.
You met someone. Did it work out?
How's your turn?
I can't network. Can't network.
Why?
Yeah.
What's your majors?
Oh yeah.
So you gotta take off. You
Maybe
wanna be in a group?
Oh yeah, that's probably smart.
Yes, sir. I forgot to download PyGame.
It doesn't really. If you wanted to use normal PowerShell again, in just bad PowerShell, they'll close everything out, but they're using something.
Why's your thing? I forgot.
Yeah, I just haven't done it.
I'm not touching mics.
Yeah, it wasn't there. It only recently appeared.
Or actually not yet. Can you close the window so it's not distracting? Okay guys, last candidate, Alex, he was late because he was getting the pizza, so he gets extra points for that. Alright, so, for the people in the pitch, Alex has actually been involved with us before, so he has kind of like an unfair advantage. But, I don't know, I really like him, he's pretty responsible, so.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, you don't have to.
Hi everybody, just trying to be the game representative for the club and events board. So, simply put, I've had 4 years of public speaking experience in high school, and I've been able to compete competitively in public speaking. I was able to compete at Washington, D.C. Again, like they said, I've been involved with the club, and I got you guys pizza. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, do you guys need time to make up your mind? Or do you want to just vote?
Just vote.
Alright, let's vote. Before I pull it up, there's pizza, so feel free to grab some. I don't want to take any of it home, so just go for it. The only thing is if you have friends outside, don't take it till the end. You can take it at the end, but like, just so you don't run out. No, you're good.
What? I know, it keeps falling.
Yes. I'm gonna go up if you want. Yes, so basically, we did not hold a vote for the other positions because we didn't really have members. So we just assigned officers for people that were interested.
The existing officers are mostly holdovers from last semester.
Yeah. So basically, at the end of the idea is to see how this vote goes. If we like how this vote goes, we're gonna hold votes again at the end of November for next semester. So then we'll hold a vote for president, treasurer, social media management, and camp rep, which are 4 positions. And we have a 5th officer that just like helps around, so we'll figure that out. So who's not on it? What? You're not on it. You're not on it? I'll add you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't vote yet.
I don't know. But how can you do it?
Because I saw the schedule on my Facebook.
Okay, hold your votes. Off limits.
I was like, I'm in
No, yeah, I'm
Don't
gonna.
put yet, we're missing a candidate on the poll. Let's fix the poll first. What do you guys
Yeah.
Right.
I think
Yeah, is this an officer's check?
Oh, wait, yeah.
My end goal is being good.
Just game?
Yeah.
Engine or just game?
You mean engine? Yeah, no. But like that's the end goal.
Ray, engine. So you want me to say Ray?
Yeah.
Ray, last name?
Dave. E-double-L-E.
Okay, it's fine, I'll just say.
Yeah. Bro, no chance.
Alright, you're in. Okay, or.
What's the point of having the other vote? What? You is like, what is the point of having the other one?
I don't know, I'm just
I
saying.
haven't, wait, I haven't met other yet.
Haven't done what?
I haven't met other yet, where are they?
Oh, yeah, sorry. How do I send it or does it just save? Cause it's trying to pull it up.
This is I know, but there's specifically like Google
Yeah,
app.
how about I don't send
I just
the
forgot to
name
do
of
it.
the form. Oh yeah, it's updated. Okay. Back to QR code. That's it.
Oh, there it is.
I forgot you wanted to.
Okay. You can now scan it. Okay. Please let me know if any issues with the form. Should work. Everybody can vote, even if you're running for election, you can vote. So I encourage you to vote for yourself, unless you don't think you're going to
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys scan it or does it not scan? It's not scan. It works? If you guys are having trouble scanning it, I'll send it on the Discord too. How about that?
Please.
You don't know?
No, I remember last time it was complicated. You probably.
Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at all my emails and or
outside of it. I don't know why this is just what popped for me. That's what I was Huh? Oh, God. Oh, I see. Also.
Hey, you guys put a ride in? Nice, that's funny. Do you remember anyone's name? Do you remember anybody?
Not at all.
Where's the red? Let me get a dice roll here. I think Discord's got a dice roll.
Oh, I see what
I
happened.
showed some dumb stuff.
It's my silver because it's named Storm. It's actually called Storm.
The blog.
Dude, I'm like lost, yeah.
Why is it so
I do. So I had some angles over 90.
You want to sit right here?
No, it's fine. I can just sit for a second. Let me just go to the GitHub. And so the reason I'm saying this is if you clone it from the repository, it's all set up already, so it's super convenient.
Yeah.
And this isn't really like teach you how to use GitHub. This is more or teach you how to like install a bunch of stuff. It's more just like, hey, let's mess around with something. But if you want to set up this, you already have Python installed and stuff.
I don't think so.
Okay, we'll do all of
I already installed that.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, good. If you already did it, then okay, you did it there. I can show you the easy way to do PyGame. So if we're in, okay, let me go to the window. Okay, that works. Python application. That one. Double click it. Open it up. Once it loads, so I don't want to freak it out yet. But we go to View here. You go down to Other Windows, and there is the Python environment. Right here where it says Overview, we do Packages, and we can search packages and installers, and we can do PyGame.
No, but it's just, it's very dumb.
And then there should be, maybe it's a lowercase p. There we go, it's called PyGame.
Oh no, this dice is kind of rigged.
And that will install PyGame for us. The reason I was doing too, we can do as well, we can, if we pull down the Git repository, it has a basic setup for you, like kind of like a hello world where it makes a window.
Oh, yeah. I think it was there. I think I closed it out.
Oh, we can look at it then. Let's look for, where's your code? Okay, that's the print hello world, gotcha. It was the equivalent in PyGame where it pops up a little window.
Oh, okay.
But that will be fine. Let's just look through environment variables, make sure it's installed. Looks like it's still downloading, I think. But that once it's downloaded, we'll be able to use it. It's how much programming, like what other languages, you work with anything else?
I only know C++.
That's fine. It's a similar like an include.
Okay.
We're basically doing an include.
Okay, got it.
So it will be, with that essentially. Once it's included, we can use its like functions and its libraries and all that stuff to do things. But it is deciding to. It happens. School Wi-Fi. Let's just do it again and see if it.
It might have been other. Alright, everybody voted?
Where's the vote link?
I sent it.
Oh, in general.
And I put it up on my computer turned off.
Let's do this one here too. Let's do the one that's a bit more specific.
There it is. Let me know if you are having trouble with anything. Cool. But anyway, so do you guys have teams? Do you guys need me to pair you with anybody? Yes, you're alone? Okay. Join us. Alright, take it. Nice. Anybody not a team? You have a team?
No.
Both of you? Yeah. Okay. Jackson, go over here. You guys? No team? Okay. Project ideas. Just team up with people so you can like have help.
You could be in our
We'll give you
team.
some project ideas.
I'm winning. Let me see why it's not deciding to download. I'm not sure if it's throwing an error or if there's something happening with the runtime. But the other thing I'm going to do, just while I'm thinking about it, I'm just going to grab the link for the. Yeah, it should be downloading into the solution, into this Python environments. Sorry, if I look at mine, it's just this pip setup tools, and then right below it is just Python. So I'm not sure why it's deciding to like try to run.
Python's installed.
Python's installed, yeah. You're right here. It would up here. It would say no interpreter.
How many people should we have per group?
Like 3 or 4 is the easiest, but you can do like 10.
This isn't like gonna be a graded exercise.
Yeah.
This is, I mean, just come up with ideas, find people who are interested in working on that idea, and, start brainstorming ways that you can do it. And that's what we're doing, trying to put together some talented minds, and also some people who are interested in learning to, work on projects.
We're actually getting progress now.
Learn and develop.
So, And I'm gonna steal this chair since you walked away. Okay, so. What's your major in this one? Biofine, yeah, that's what I studied mathematics and computer science is what I did. So I did both because I was already studying mathematics and I was doing, it's a lot of people, like for example, Professor here, his degrees are in mathematics and computer science, like that. I'm the IA for the math lab, so I work in the math lab, that's where I work, and then I compare prisoners for food, and I like to program.
Yeah, that's cool.
And I also don't get to code very often because I do math at university instead.
Got it, yeah.
What level of math you taking?
I just finished up to it.
Oh, fun, yeah.
I'm going to be taking 1 year next.
Nice, 1 year's fun. Cool.
And then I'm going to be taking stats, and that's it.
Nice. Stats is fun. Stats is just applied calculus, so instead of doing the calculus yourself, it's all in tables. But you're just calculating everything. You basically go like, hey, if you already know calculus, you're just doing an integral from a point to a point, and you're just seeing how much area is there. And that's how
Isn't that what an integral is?
Yes.
Okay.
It's just that the integral that is the normal distribution, it's a full fucking, there's no closed form solution over a real integral, it's the big long word.
Oh, okay.
But the real thing, it basically doesn't have any paper. So you have to numerically approximate it. And it's much more complicated than you ever expect a calculating because the whole actual going through how you actually get to a solution requires higher dimensional calculus.
Oh wow, that's different.
You have to go to actually get an approximate solution the way you do it. There's a whole like huge history of mathematics things, but it's way more complicated than you'd ever expect a student to do.
Yeah.
So if you're really,
not as bad.
yeah, it's installing. It's just being very slow. Let's actually see if okay, can I close your Visual Studios and launch it as an administrator?
Have a group to work with.
Do you guys want to be in our group?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, we have 2 people.
Okay, now another question.
Sorry, I stole your chair.
Now we got you guys. If you guys want to.
Sure.
Okay.
So another question: who here, including the groups, is looking for ideas on what to work on? Even more.
Oh wait.
Do you guys have ideas?
I have a stupid idea that I don't know if it's possible.
It has experience.
No.
5 years ago.
Oh shoot, I was gonna.
Thank you.
Yeah, the only experience I have is like Java and just one particular like code.
If you guys don't want to be in his camera, you guys are like perfectly in the camera frame. If you guys don't want to. I'm just saying I wouldn't want to, but if you guys are like paparazzi, then
Shift down.
yeah,
It's just a personal face cam.
yeah.
Has a really good idea that they want to share and have a group work with them on.
We can all do the same idea too, and just see who executes the best.
Yeah, and we don't work on the same idea. We have one person with an idea.
So not for just PyGame or like for any.
Ideally PyGame because I can have everybody up to speed on, but if you have to find a group.
You have to remember to look as well because traditionally speaking, the only thing you have to do to get a degree in mathematics is usually take Calc 3.
Yeah, you guys are.
So it's
Oh,
possible.
really?
I would
No,
also do
you guys could be
school of I believe.
It's like
I'm
perfect
scared of
right
Calc
here.
3.
It's top
some
options.
I'm not good with 3 dimensions, that's why.
It's the mathematics barely changes. And also you do.
I might be able to do it actually.
Really, it's just
Yeah. No, you're good.
Anybody else have some ideas that they want to share with
whenever you see this, just know that they don't actually need this. They actually mean something. Physicists don't care about mathematical notation. They just use their own symbol.
Is that what you're doing?
You need power?
Are you using both of those outputs?
The lowercase sigma is for the statistics.
You know, they just need to do the change. Do you power it with your iPhone yet?
For some reason, they use the symbol.
Hopefully it's long enough. Maybe? Oh my god, it's almost.
Yeah, that's straight.
It's so hard.
Maybe she was
Only the two is switch my
Do you want to switch so you can closer right there? Yeah.
Let me just switch to
Whoa!
this should just install. Once let me know when it's all installed, because it has to install.
I was thinking.
Do you have any ideas?
Basic. Like as a starting ground, I honestly have no idea. Like a top-down farm, where you can turn it and it can go forward and backward.
So wait, which axe? So like, would it be like a platform type thing, or?
No, it would be a
Just like a driving
top-down.
game.
It would be a top-down. It would be
I made a game. I made a game one time, and it was very bad, but it was able to do. I was able to do the up, down, left, right.
That might be
Oh,
easy.
original
PyGame could definitely.
like the original Asteroids.
yeah,
Something like that.
That's what you mean by driving?
yeah.
Like more free?
No, not free at all.
Or you want like
driving. Driving, but like that's the only example I can think
Like
of.
when you say that, I'm thinking of that game from like something like this.
Oh yeah, yes.
I'm thinking of something from Wreck-It Ralph, like Turbo.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, we basically got
Besides that, besides that, the easiest thing would probably be like a platformer, since they have like physics built in.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
right.
for the gravity that for the actual. And that's pretty much all you need from it.
Just simple platform.
We could also do the snake game. Yeah, but I like your idea.
No, it's actually insane. I didn't know about PyGame. So the hard drive broke. The hard drive ended up in a fire. But I programmed the platformer without PyGame. And I hated that
I've made the framework. Okay, you know the coding site Scratches?
Yes. No, it's so nice.
I've been working a while ago on a 2D platformer in it, and like working from scratch without watching the video, making the physics. You know what the issue is? I also made an online network framework in Scratch. And I made, I'll show you before you leave.
Yeah, because we already did that before. So we got two ideas. Platformer.
Yeah, the only thing that they could be trying to because you would either, if you do one garden, I don't know if you can like, yeah.
Oh, I don't know how to do it. We have to create hitboxes.
I was imagining, like, I wasn't even imagining as a game yet. But what we could do is snake acceptance. If you take it, like,
Like, I thought of you, I was like, I'm gonna bring cheese just because I appreciate it.
The thought, yeah, it's not that counts.
I tried creating blackjack. I was so bad. Because I wasn't experienced.
See, we started with quarters, and then we always
Yeah. So I don't know how it's gonna work. Well, Pike's easier.
leftover. Who doesn't want leftover? I don't. I don't want to take it home.
I actually made, you know, like a game where it's just like a tank, and then one person controls one side of the thing, and then another player controls the other.
Like that iMessage game?
took someone's project like that and added an online not something that's supposed to be If we do, for 6 people, our game might be a little bit simple. I know that that's kind of a stretch. But, I don't know. It might be a fun project. I just think. Okay, no, that's a different thing. It would be funny. It would be a lot of fun. Not actually. Oh, it depends. If you do normal tank battles, no. But if you do tank battles, yeah, that. Let's just say the way.
Not Ricochet, but I was thinking of the, you know the Islands of Game? Do you know what There's tanks on two sides, right? Green and blue. There's a castle in the middle. The tanks are trying to aim it with the blue colors. So that it can hit the other tank.
Kind of like,
And then it loses damage. And then the other one goes and it takes turns. No, that's what I was saying. I feel like that would work.
Okay, there's these types of games where it's just like one person controls like a little tank and has tank controls, or you can only turn and then move, not both. But and then you shoot, and then you're trying to hit. Yeah, you're trying to hit the person.
And then it switches to the next person.
Well, no, both people can. They can both. Yeah, but and then you can ricochet off the side, so you're trying to put in this last one. So I just made once you get a chance. But
Are you guys gonna use GitHub?
yeah. So pretty much what I did was I'll just open another copy on it. But if you have like an account on here, that you have access to cloud very much. Oh. So I open here and then I click over here. You both have to. I might have to log in my other account. Like, oh wait, I forgot. No, you can't start either.
You start on the left and you go to the actual.
Okay.
No, there we go. So this one, do you notice how it's?
Yeah.
If you were on a separate computer, it would do the same one. So,
I like the farming.
No, I like kind of wanted to, or was hoping to eventually add testing to it, but that's also really hard.
I think we should do that.
no, that wouldn't be too hard. It would just be a math equation.
I mean, there's tons of math equations though. It would be constant like trajectory and force equations.
Yeah, you want to
With some, I feel like.
I don't think it actually be too hard. That's just the compiler. So let me just go through it. If you see over here, you notice these numbers. This is the user data. So I just made a gigantic.
Oh, you just made a
variable because there's I have something called no, you can't switch these two bubbles, which is why the FPS looks like this. But there's also a timer. So I think there's also oh yeah, that's why you notice how that is. That's because there's a timer. Because I had to make it so that it could close. Yeah. So this was an online multiplayer version of the game. So yeah, this thing Okay, wait.
Oh, is it the page you're talking about?
Yep.
Can you show it?
Yep, I can actually show you.
Shooting?
Okay,
Let's see what.
it takes a second to actually load. I don't know why it's showing this right.
So we're doing the card game?
Hopefully.
Close the lead, now it's loading. You'll notice that this is.
You guys looking for stuff to do?
We kind of have ideas, but we're trying to figure out what.
But yeah, if you look at
We were talking about.
normal, you can actually do this, like if you logged into here and open this game, it would, you could play this all day.
That's what I was doing.
But yeah, you notice how I had, that's just because of the network. Oh yeah.
I would go personally, getting familiar with something
Okay, I think there's
like
like
I'm really using
over here somewhere.
I would always go
This
like an easy
doesn't always work. Sometimes
and finish it because sometimes you get stuck with stuff that you can't
Oh, these
finish
things?
and you
Like,
they would
you
use,
just get
yeah, the other
frustrated.
side says they have it. I think I'm just lazy.
oh, this is what you made.
Yeah, I mean,
So you have experience with this?
yeah. This is actually, this is someone else's project. I just added it.
All of this.
I also bug fixed it a little bit. I didn't notice, but their thing looks nice. It has pretty much their stuff was paint models. I had to debug it because I had to sync the maps. That's let me actually go into this. Oh.
Yeah, honestly, we have 2 hours.
You can't shoot.
I think it's gonna take about an hour.
Oh,
So if you do this,
I don't know that that is. You could shoot yourself.
yeah.
That would be a cool idea.
But like there's
Is it complicated?
it's yeah. If you notice how long this thing is, that's because this thing's having to put into the variable your positioning, your angle, the position of the projectile, and the angle. I don't think it has one.
Did you make
I gotta make a title that will be.
But yeah, one, and then you notice
We're gonna make a code for it. Yeah. My page.
it's so
The sticker's weak.
It's on the floor.
But yeah, the thing is that there's just so many different things. Because there's paint.
Got it?
Yeah. This thing, I programmed the thing so that it logs you out. Because the problem is if 2 people log on and one of the people leaves, if he tries to log back in, it just won't log because it doesn't know that the person's desynced. So I had to program in a way to know that both. That's why there's that loading
The
timer.
timer, right.
Yeah, the timer
To
at the
sync.
beginning. Yeah, and the timer at the beginning is literally just running to check to see if there's active players.
I see. That's funny.
So if it takes that long, it has to check both.
Right. Can more than 2 people in the world play this game? That's an awesome answer.
No, on this project, no. But if you made a copy of the project and then shared the link to the copy with your friends, they could do exactly like that. But 2 people can only play on this project. So since I'm using those slots right now, it's currently locked up. So if someone tried to press the play button right now, without hacking the game, if you just edit the code, you could log yourself in and it would be jammed because 2 people would be updating the same time variable. Yeah. Oh yeah, this I also made. Yeah, this is the platformer that we did on the project. It's bad. You can see that it was working on it because this is what my screen looks like.
So you guys coming up with something?
I'm just honestly trying to learn how to open a window. at this point.
That's all right.
I'm like organ harvesting from the original, reading that the function is PG display.
Guys, how do you log
Yes.
into?
So
And then there is a PG flip that I don't understand.
So, in order to create the window, to create the main window, that's that one at the top, pg.display.set mode. It's that set mode that gets you the screen.
I see.
And then we put that in a screen variable, and that is our screen.
And the PG flip at the bottom is just, it's telling it at the end of the loop to render.
Yeah, it is. PyGame uses the double buffer video.
Interesting.
So you actually have two windows drawn, one which is shown, and the one that you're modifying.
I see.
So any changes you make are modified underneath. So PG flip is the last thing you do after making changes to the screen.
Okay, it suddenly really makes sense that didn't Python get like multi-core like a couple months ago?
Probably.
I'm
not sure.
Which is that feels slow. I'm not sure.
It's
interesting.
I mean that is the thing. Python is very flexible and powerful, but that comes at the expense of speed.
Yes.
It works for our purposes.
Okay.
Yeah, I added the button but I also added a high score.
Nice.
So now it updates at the end. I don't know if I programmed the thing to work like this, so it will look for the key press, but I put it in an else because I didn't know if me putting this in would accidentally overwrite the score if I put the if statement on the outside, because I haven't checked. So like this could be if I just delete this else, and then just.
So now first,
This for data store?
Yep.
Oh dang, you guys have been working on this.
Pro tip real quick. If you want to unindent a huge block of code, highlight it, and shift tab to tab in, shift tab to tab out.
Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and then. Nope, that's wrong. It was. Oh, yeah.
I think Python multi-line comments are different.
It was. Can I wait?
It's the eng. Well, in other languages, it's to open it's slash asterisk, and to close it's asterisk. I don't think Python uses that style comment. For Python, Python multi-line comments, it's triple quote to open, triple quote to close.
Oh, and then wasn't it like using this? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's single line comment.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this right now. Okay, and then this will just run the iScore. I don't know if this will break down. Just get these. Restart it. Oh wait, I press space right when I so now I'm gonna do this. Well, high score. But if I do this now, okay, it doesn't. I was fine. I did that for a reason. But yeah, I was worried that we accidentally it wouldn't update this first. But it does go.
Okay.
So I can delete that.
Did I ask already? Do you guys have a project idea?
I sort of do. I mean, I do, but at the same time, this is like my first time programming.
Yeah, as a group, we have a few ideas. We just don't know which one we want to do.
Well, perhaps the first step is going to be try getting them down on paper. The best idea is going to show itself once you actually try and put it into words. So try and get some details, get it down on paper, get some documentation. I mean, that's useful. I mean, that's what you're going to want to do first, even once you have an idea. But the more you try to articulate the idea, the more the well-formed ideas are going to present themselves, and the less well-formed ones are going to, you're going to be like,
That one seems like it has a few pitfalls in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
questions.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry to have been here. We all got
Oh, you're trying to add some network again? So yeah, you would just search their name,
How do you?
Let me just check to see what my name is. I think this is
You're adding the file, so the old file is being tracked. Then you have a new
Oh, it's robots.
It's gonna
Yep.
Great. Now look, now you can bring this. So this green one is
Now move that.
You have a GitHub, right?
More or less.
You know your username?
Yes. Grappling minus one.
Minus one. Oh, that one?
Thank you.
I'm waiting for your info. I sent you an invite. I got Bella. Did we come outside?
Update.
Excited?
I don't think we'll talk. Yeah, right now we have car, platformer, I think it has a lot of room.
Car would be easy.
Probably, yeah.
Because we pretty much got code, we just gotta fix a few things.
I think, okay, the reason why I think, since I did suggest platformer, now I have to make my page. It has a lot of room for like building. Like you can start off with just making platforms that you can walk across. That sounds like a problem. Well, it sounds like it would be easy, but I'll tell you, in other places, it's never that easy.
It's never easy.
Trying to make
I made a platform before. It was pretty bad.
Yeah, but once if you get that down, making enemies and other things like moving, has a lot of room for flexibility.
It does.
And has a lot of room for multiple people.
Making platforms is fun. It's hard. But you can do a lot.
I never understood it. Do you have a hitbox on the platform itself, preventing people from falling through? Hitbox above it, resetting the floor variable.
You could have like gravity, like
you could have
gravity just continuously affecting them.
Yeah.
Until they hit like a certain level.
A certain level.
But once you do after.
Do you change that level depending on where you are horizontally?
Oh no, you could just put them in X. You could have it try to reference an X value.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, how you doing, Dennis? You wanna come sit over here?
I wouldn't call this experience. I would call this
Some experience.
Yeah. Thank you. I see.
I've made funny projects from scratch, which is pretty much, if you do that, all you need to do is translate.
Cool. So they're working on a project. You can join the project.
You already got the trial.
You'll actually learn a lot because they already learned the basics of it.
I only go so far.
So you want to just put your
Yo, what's the line
I'll
code
show you.
to kill a program? To have a program like end itself? Is it just exit? Do you know that code to have a program end itself?
End itself?
Like, is it just exit or?
I think it's system.
Jackson's like
System.
actually no, Jackson.
System exit.
Is it?
That's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I know it's something exists though.
Okay.
You can share a repository.
I don't like how owl system. If you want an owl head, it's
You guys can all push changes.
Okay, I just want to render it in the window.
Are you good?
You guys have like a
I just put it on the
Lynn, are you guys all in the same group? You guys are working together?
I mean, Jackson joined us.
I think we've formed a large group.
You guys can have like a 10-person group.
Honestly,
Are
all looking for
Yeah, we have this guy over here.
This guy's got is running the repo.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you guys all gonna do the same group?
Yeah.
Probably. Yes. Yes.
Can I search in this window?
Yeah, he's going You guys honestly, instead of all of you guys pushing changes, because you're gonna have a bunch of work. I recommend like you like talk about some stuff, and then you probably won't get that much done. So do you guys want to keep working on this? Or do you guys want to do a different workshop?
I think we need to go.
We're not doing this again. We'll do this again.
Because
I won't be here next week though. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So, how are you guys on PyGame? What are you guys doing PyGame?
Yeah.
How are you guys on that?
Oh no.
You guys like? No. We like PyGame. You guys know like the things. Like, are you guys like lost or like?
A little lost, but.
I recommend go to the PyGame docs, or like literally like look up a quick YouTube video or like chat.
Oh, I know you mean.
Yeah, like how to do like the basic stuff.
Yeah.
And then just you can make like a little tutorial.
Okay. They have a special website. They have a special website with all
Yes.
the. Yeah.
And if you haven't seen it,
Yeah.
Yeah, they also have a dev stock.
Okay.
That thing.
This is the site right now. So we got platform racing games.
so
What's the third one? Was it the tank?
That technically was put in, but.
It's like branch off of the racing game, honestly. That's a branch off of the racing game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What did you guys decide?
We're
deciding
deciding
right
right
now.
now.
Still?
A
Yeah.
little bit, sorry.
Because we got a couple ideas. And then we're mostly creating the repo.
Yeah.
Yes, but then, and then just drop them.
I need your GitHub.
I'll just drive.
I don't know why I'm taking a picture.
Alan. Yeah, just drop them all. Take Alan.
Sorry.
You can't start
or just
without
like
me?
go straight to
Can't start without me?
We're just deciding.
Oh, okay.
So the options were platformer, car thingy, and I, for some reason, tank game was in there.
Tank game is complicated. Probably just platform.
Yeah. Platformer would be like 2D where you know like the original Mario games? That kind of thing.
That's my thought.
It's in like the car game would be top down where
The thing with
there were enemies.
the platformer, we can create a lot of ideas from it. But sometimes it's kind of complicated. But I think we can do it. And plus, we're gonna get more time. What? Turbo game.
The racing game.
I think that's the car game.
The car game, yeah.
Oh, okay, go for the car.
I kind of vote for car game, sorry.
Iron car game.
Yeah, I kind of vote for platformer. That's just because I like it.
Fair.
So, blackjack?
I don't know how to play blackjack.
Oh, freaking Balatro. Have you seen Balatro?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
not like you need any more calories.
The one guy that's working to make it perfect. Like one scene.
Exactly.
Oh,
racing game, yeah.
Yeah, can you vote for us? Can you vote for us?
For what?
What?
Platformer?
Based on our ideas?
That's a
Yes.
2D person jumping around. It's the
Kind of something like that.
I think you guys should go really simple, finish something up, and then hit something complex. And like, you don't have to work on it. You can go home.
Yeah.
Like, you guys can all collaborate. Getting this so nice for them. Like, the next collaboration. I think you guys should do it.
same.
Platformer is complicated.
And I recommend.
Also, party more.
No, card game. I recommend you build a whiteboard and you divide how many files you want to run. Like you split it across the files and you split the work so you guys are not all typing at the same time. And then you look through the docs and see like what from the PyGame docs you're going to be using. So like do a little bit of research before you type some code and then get like typing like for free. It's fine, you have 20 minutes of this, but like you'll know exactly what you need to do. You'll go very quick.
Yeah, we should make a Google Doc on like
Oh, you guys want to see some Google Docs? Editor and I have like 30-page Google Docs. Yeah, I don't like mobile apps. No, our mobile apps have the 2 30-page like Google Docs. For the back end, that's what it's like. Okay. So now we're going to play.
Actually, Google Docs would be better. We can look at it.
So I'm going to introduce another idea, which is the idea of parity. Now, you can print out text. Going to where you can create a So,
What? I have a window. Why do I have a window now? What?
Visual.
No, that's the.
now instead of achieving
Alright, what's your guys' beat?
the very good stop taking this and you can just print out.
Alright. Just shoot. Is that your email? We're just gonna separate the words. And you can just look at it.
So this is a
Scissors.
Racing game.
Scissors it tied me
We need to find the sprite.
Oh, I was honestly thinking just a red square on the.
Red square?
Red square on the blue background for now. I don't know how to import yet.
I know how to get a couple sprites. Like, make it look nice.
Okay, interesting.
There's this website. You just fill the sprites.
Oh, hey, okay, cool. That's nice.
So I'll try to find good sprites for the game. But if it doesn't work, then we'll just do a red square.
That's
I'm gonna put your personal yeah, we can definitely get this out.
Okay, what am I doing wrong?
Alright. Can you add your email?
Yeah.
We're gonna separate the word.
I got some stuff I'm working on.
Sweet. Thank you. Ah, there's no more Jamboard, huh?
What is it?
Jamboard doesn't exist. It's the Google, like, it's just that but intended for groups of people.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Sort of. Not really.
I've never touched it.
It's pretty much just like you can post like little practically sticky notes on this like thing.
Nice, I know. So say what? What do you guys want to work on?
I could try every. So I just want to work on like the like,
Well, okay. Thinking about I could do like trying to get like the card actually like on a map.
Okay.
So like yeah, I don't know how
main component of the game. Thing you're gonna do.
yeah, and then trying to get the inputs would be something.
PyGame has a bunch of extremely useful documentation
But it would have to figure out
exactly what all the functions are, what all the types are, how it's put together. And even has some tutorials. So to find that, you just have to go to pygame.org.
Alright.
Click on documentation.
So you're gonna work with the card
Not mode.
Yeah, the card move. Yeah, the card move.
It's not blackjack.
Can we get movement to this guy?
No, he got it. I already got it.
What am I?
I'm gonna ask everyone. And we'll see. Maybe create this. There should be a score system, right?
Yeah, well, that might work on that.
There's collision.
The collision map would be.
We're gonna add cards, right? And then we're gonna dodge the cards. Is that what you meant by 2D card game?
No, that was his idea about it. I think it was originally.
What do you mean by 2D card game? Like,
I mean, just like, honestly, I was going as basic as possible. I wasn't even imagining really a game. Just the little,
just movement.
just movement, yeah.
So what if we do like?
Were you thinking about having it one giant map and then having a small car
I was
on like one
was
screen?
never imagining any like racetrack or color, honestly. If anything, I was imagining like sort of like Snake. You have to hit a target, but you have a timer to do it, and it like it's counting down, but every time you get it, you get 3
So
more
the
seconds.
area is gonna be like a big Snake game,
Yeah, it would be a
but
big
it's
Snake
gonna be a
game.
card moving.
It's just a car moving, yeah.
Got it. And then we gotta collect the whatever it is.
Yeah, yeah. And you have like 12 or 9 seconds left, and every time you get it, you get 3 seconds back.
Okay.
I see, kind of like a snake game or something.
Yeah, yeah, like a snake with a car. And
So what do you want to work on?
I was honestly trying to get a window to work.
Window?
Yeah.
I'll just make the area.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, you're gonna work on the area. And I think I can work on the randomizer. I'll try to work on the randomizer, just like on the whatever it is in the area you made.
Function missing required argument source. Oh, is that it? Is that, I just needed to, okay.
Alright guys, 22 votes.
Hey, you're missing a name.
Looks like Musa, oh, Alex. Alex won. Musa was second. Alex was a little late, so he did get a little bit of an advantage, so I'm sorry. But, sorry, this is like experimental, and we're trying to work the chinks out, but for next semester, we'll hold votes for every position, and we already know kind of like what works and what doesn't, so we'll try that again. So thank you guys. Alex. Yeah, he brought the pizza, which was totally unfair because people were happy that he brought the pizza. So.
Okay, but yeah. I really made a 2D thing before.
Oh, so you got experience.
Wait, what the?
You got a window.
I got a window!
But the window doesn't do anything.
But it's a wall.
Yeah.
Oh, just visual.
I think this is the game I made when I was first doing like
The multiplayer thing?
I was originally actually trying to make a game in like Scratch. and I was trying to make like a dungeon crawler. And this is like it ended up being like a
Oh, I'm
game.
stupid. Yeah.
It's got.
Oh, nice.
I think. Wait, is Hunt turned on? There we go. That's a dev thingy. That's why you can see that. Right now. Oh yeah, they can also glitch through walls right now for some reason. So right now I was working on like the chasing. Oh, yep, the chasing bugged out. But the thing is supposed to follow you for a certain amount of time, and this would be based off of your positioning. I was making first pathfinding based off of your positioning. And technically, yeah, that's why so currently it's just set to and then it will try to follow a set path. But the pathfinding doesn't work properly, so you go in like the opposite direction of you for some reason. And that's why I stopped working on this project, because I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working properly. There are literally like so many things I could have done wrong with it.
Real.
And also there's another issue. I would have had to program it to keep the enemy. Because this was supposed to be multiplayer. Which player does it follow? If there was 2 players on the screen, which would determine its pathfinding? Because you can't have that desync. And this is why I stopped doing this. Oh yeah, and then the other issue was the collision was hard money. The part that took the most time in this game was literally just trying to get this freaking walls to not let you phase through them.
Oh, yep, that makes sense.
The way that this is doing it, it's making a copy of itself slightly in front of it, and then blocking movement in that direction. You can technically phase through it if you do something. I think, yeah, you can shimmy into an object. But yeah, this thing's literally just making a clone of itself, sending it being invisible, sending itself 5 feet in front of it.
Oh, I'm a freaking clown and I'm going home at like 6.
Oh.
That's funny. Wait, when is that? Yeah.
A different day in the library. We were talking about politics.
Yeah, technically this thing's also this thing can be multiplayer. Like there's 2 people.
Yeah, it's available.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one at 6. Okay, never mind. I'm fine. For another 15 minutes. I'm gonna actually set a timer for my phone.
So now all I have to do is figure out how I get. So yeah, the main thing is figure out how to get. Are we thinking about putting everything for this racing game on screen, or there would be this off screen?
I'll tell you one screen. So what do you mean by off screen?
Okay, you know, like how in most games, even like in top down, you'll be able to move and then the screen like moves with you. Like you're technically in the move screen, and then if you're moving,
the camera just follows you.
Yeah.
That's what you did with the Scratch game, right?
Mm-hmm. It's actually like pretty easy to code. Yeah, because what I'm doing is the player model doesn't have.
It's just the camera.
No, well, technically, what's moving is literally the map around it. So what I was doing,
No. So you're gonna create your own icon. and we're gonna upload it on file.
Oh yeah, to look at it?
Well, I don't know how GitHub works completely.
Yeah, we can just look it up and then you
If it doesn't work, we'll just put it in Google Docs.
putting it in Google Drive and then just you can actually upload files in Google Drive and then just the curse oh yeah. But yeah, pretty much. If you notice how the player model is independent, this is actually easy to make. You just make it so that everything else, pretty much think of a graph paper. Everything's on. Let me grab a piece of paper actually. If you make you can just tell your oh yeah, I think to do that you would have to change people's access. I think all of us right now. Oh wait, no, we're all right. I think we all like change stuff on the.
Do you want to make the GitHub? No. And then we'll just. It's not. Alright. I'll look at
Are you starting it?
I'm trying to. Getting the window right.
Yeah, you can also just upload a file directly from repository, and then you can that's the smart way to do that.
Oh, I see what you mean. Is it set up?
Things this was all I was doing was and then it was referencing that to then say, okay, anything in this box is what's being used. If I move it, it's just kind of like it's changing.
You're changing.
Yeah.
You started the code already?
So it's changing this
I have the window.
so it was now the player on
Oh, right.
your player position on the screen. So the screen is still when you have it still looks like this.
So I have it
But if you
end
move
itself
yourself
instantly.
on then suddenly you can render an object in. It's now
your render box is over here.
So that running background.
So it's pretty much, it's a piece of graph paper where each object has a position on the graph paper. And then to change what's on the screen, it's just kind of pulling it
Okay. So for the when it comes to the like search randomizer, because what are we doing something similar to the snake, where you have to
oh yeah, that would be
would this work with this?
yeah, because then you would just choose a random.
We would just have to find it.
Yeah, and then you might put an arrow that's like pointing towards it. Yeah, that would work.
Why isn't this what?
I was thinking that this more is like a racing game where you're going along the
It just needs to update. Okay, whatever.
because if you're doing
What is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to. I mean, it's supposed to do that exactly. But I don't know why I have it
well, it would be moving the
set the size and then set the color, and I can actually delete this.
Oh, okay.
I have it set the size of the color, initialize, and then I have it set the color again and then update.
just so you can.
And for whatever reason, that gets it to work.
So it's either going to be the snake or what you said, because that could work.
Can you show me how to get into it?
Let's just see if it's you.
We're figuring that out because I got to do something else.
Okay.
But would you guys prefer?
No, what is it, your friends? You guys like drop it, right?
That's why I made it.
I know.
I mean, my user also.
What do I search up though? I just search that in the search? Because I searched that. I'm searching.
It's like after the search, then you have to click on users.
How are you guys?
Oh.
Yeah, we decided on the
Do you guys want to work with Dennis?
Maybe I'll sign up. Sign up. I don't have to sign
Hey,
up.
do you guys want to like work with Dennis? Like guys, he's like, are you guys? You guys are gonna go? Okay, never mind. What time? You guys were talking about going to my house?
Oh, we're going?
No, I heard. Let's go to Juan's house.
Yeah, he said we're gonna talk about.
No, I.
Wait. What? Oh, to get your car? Oh, okay. I'll be a little bit late.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm having a cup of tea.
Okay, I found it. I found it.
It's okay. And I was like, we need to go to Juan's house.
Do you guys prefer more guided stuff, or do you like this?
That's pretty good.
No, you prefer this over last week?
Me
The week before?
I was here for the first meeting,
Okay.
and this is my
Oh,
second.
I do kind of like this.
You like this?
Me too.
Yeah, just get feedback for that. Okay.
Thank you.
Nice.
Well,
Yes.
no. That's only certain like coding actually like edit one file. There are others that do that, but Code Studio and
So you're working on like
Visual
the
Code Studio
background?
won't do that.
A little bit. I mean, I kind of want to have a full rendering system. It should be easy, but I'm just not smart.
It's okay. It's just kind of messing around.
Yeah.
That just opens all of it.
Yeah, it's bad.
Everybody tell everybody. I remember.
Alright, so you guys. Alright, how come there is no title? Let's start with some basic stuff. You guys know how to work with
I'm gonna start doing the updates. I'm gonna just do a fall for now, and then I'm gonna do the upright.
Nice.
Up, down, left, and right.
That makes a ton of sense.
And you had sky blue.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
So I think I put a little thing in it and then one story.
Okay.
And I got yeah, maybe. You probably want to have multiple files and then have them all referenced into one game.
Okay.
All of these
Okay.
Got something.
What?
Only my right and left right is up.
How did you have?
You changed the.
How come it's not showing the whole time?
Can I see what your file is? You could actually upload that file onto the Git. Oh wait, are you in the
I'm
Git?
not in the Git.
Okay.
I just made my own things.
Yep. He's going to. What's your username?
I have no clue.
Any capital?
No.
24?
04. I added you already, Bobby.
Not add you to the Git.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay, sure.
Yep. That's serving collection. Yeah, I've done that.
What do you have in so far?
System that crashes.
Oh, you got a car in already?
No, I have a system. I have that.
I was gonna say we can combine our
No, I'm just gonna copy yours.
Okay.
It should be in your inbox.
I got nothing.
Refresh.
Yeah, it should,
Refresh again.
it should have an invite.
Nothing. Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Now, if you go, yeah. Now, back file. Upload file. Choose your file. Now, wherever you. Yep. Okay. She's going to upload it onto Git. You can just kind of.
Yeah, I will be copying it
.py?
soon.
Yep, the PY file. That's the game you made?
You guys know where I put my laptop?
Oh, I hate that
I'll. Sorry, I have to get going, unfortunately.
I know, I think we
Oh, yeah. Do you guys have Discord?
Yes.
If we're all on the programming Discord, that works, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. I'll
If
just
you want, we can just kind of like make a private one so that we can just message back and forth.
Yeah, a DM, not a whole Discord server.
Where did my thing go? I uploaded it. How do I see it?
Mine's just running.
Oh yeah, it's wait. If you go into code, just click on that.
That's not my code.
That is your code. You upload it all. Go into your code studio. What's the name of it? PyGame. Okay, underscore. And then wait.
So now you have the left, right, take out up and down because otherwise like you have to rewind. So take out.
I should take a CS class, honestly.
Have you taken any?
No.
No, you never programmed before? Oh, okay.
More or less.
Well, you did pretty good.
I mean, I did it like 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Okay.
So pretty much I copy it as so now I control V, then get rid of the little, for some reason it gives you little symbols next to it.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
You just sent print hello world.
Yep,
Yeah,
I know, we're
that's not
fixing
what
that.
I meant to do.
Nope, it's trying to launch it.
I need a
do a
dragon.
snake type game.
No, we said the card.
Oh yeah, you can just drag it.
Yeah, sorry. I'll explain it to you over Discord later. Or
Okay.
I don't know.
Yes, you are.
He had
right,
another
you can
idea.
just drag it.
I can do that.
Yeah, just do that.
He had another idea where it's just going on the racetrack.
It would just follow the racetrack, like the racetrack. Well, I can explain it later.
It's not just gonna be going in one motion?
Yeah, it would pretty much be the car would just be in the center, and then the map would like.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
The whole time. Okay.
Okay.
I don't even see it.
We'll talk about it.
Yep. Wait. Yeah, just close out. Yeah. Wait. Go back to Edge. Yep. Now. Oh. Close this.
Alright, let me find it.
Wait, no, you just close this.
Okay.
And then go open this again. Oh, I see.
Yeah, that was my problem.
Because it's just trying to open. I'm going to open, copy this path. This will open this folder instead of the project.
Let me look on the slide.
No. If I do that.
Better, okay.
Where do you put the slide?
Because last time it just tried to launch your project.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Take care,
You
y'all.
guys,
You too.
on Discord, just kind of find my name, which it's Robot Playground. Just like search and user Robot Playground.
Okay.
Or you can just direct message and then just send me any message. Hi.
This is what I got so far, if you guys want to see. But it disappears.
Yeah, we'll fix that.
Yep, that's what I was going to do.
It won't go left. It only activates when I start right.
Okay, but yeah, just like add friend or something.
stuff like.
Yeah.
Is that from Dinosaur Games?
No.
She's just great. Well, you can move it with your thing, right?
Yeah, right, left down. But for some reason it will only show.
I was working on randomizer.
Right.
but
Oh,
I
that's
think,
good.
But I
So
think we're doing
working on
something else.
different things. No, I think that's good because
That would be
we
really
can
good.
randomize obstacles, right?
Yeah, but I was thinking of the snake game.
Yeah, you know where you have to collect like the apple? Do that, but with like a, it would randomize the position of like a little stopwatch type looking thing.
Oh, from what time?
Yep.
Or we could do a gas tank and it
Yep.
slowly runs out of gas.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, that's
then
what we're thinking.
Oh, okay, yeah, then
Because you have
that's good, then
you
we're
have
working
the
on the
timer.
randomizer then. We're
But-
working on the track,
Yeah.
randomizer.
Yep. No, the randomizer is probably pretty simple.
Yeah. I'll probably add more stuff.
Okay, guys, I need to interrupt, but
Just to start.
we're getting close to 5, and we have to like
Yep.
wrap up.
Private
you
message,
know,
robot
so if you
playing
guys
around.
can start
My name
getting
is
stuff
that.
packed up,
Playing numbers. And then I'll invite you guys to a Discord server.
Alright.
I've already got you this one. I know you.
Oh, my keys, I can't believe
Yeah, we would probably over the next week or Friday we'll set up the plan.
Also,
Yep.
are you guys-